we are having an absolutely huge summer sale. It's up to 20% off tools, templates, custom builds, and there's already 10% off courses. Go and have a look right now. Ah! Hello, and welcome to What's on the Bench, bringing you all in the world of What's on the Bench. Nice. This is Peter. You're on a 3-day course?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
And talk me through what you've been doing in the last 3 days.
So what we've done is, this is a guitar I had made for me 31 years ago in Reading, Luthier. He sadly died a year after he made this, so I never really got a chance to get to know it from a technical point of view.
Yeah.
I've been playing it a long time. So I bought it here to refret completely. So what we've done here is we've stripped it right back, took all the frets off,
Yep.
got to know it, and Dom here has been fantastic. He's been a legend, showing me how the other Luthier was working.
Yeah.
Because all the clues were here of what they've done. So I've got to know it a bit better, put the new frets on, polished them off, and we've just finished setting it up now. So it's got another 31 years of life now.
Nice. Yeah.
It's come back to life.
So is it nickel silver or stainless steel frets? What do you go for?
Nickel silver.
Yep.
Yeah, narrow tall ones.
Very nice.
And I've got some Brazilian rosewood here on the fretboard.
That's pretty fancy.
And on the back of the neck, this is bird's eye maple. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And this is a solid bit of mahogany, which is quite rare for a Strat, but I wanted a warm sound.
Yeah, it's a bit different for a Strat, but
Yeah, it's quite heavy.
unheard of, but
And then, because when I first had it made for me, I didn't really know an awful lot about guitars. I wanted to go for a Strat. So I just accepted what he did. And today and the last 2 days, what I've learned here is a lot more about how it was constructed.
yeah.
And we've been using that information and what it was telling us to work out how to adjust it all as well, because it wasn't the factory.
Yeah, hand built. So yeah, that's
So I've got a vintage pickup. These are Kent Armstrong pickups.
very nice. Yeah.
Yeah, so they sound really nice. There's a vintage one there. We took the plates off, had a look at it, cleaned up the pots, and tried to understand. Also, I found out the truss rod is a single
action.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we talked a lot about, the difference between that and dual action. Yeah. So I've learned so much.
So do you think you'd come back and do a full build yourself?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. Yeah.
Yeah. Would you
Many.
build something like this or something different?
I'll probably go for something different. Probably go for like a PRS shape one as well.
Carve top.
Yeah. Something maybe with a bit of F-holes in there. Something a bit
Hollow carve top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fancy doing something like that.
Yeah, very nice.
When we took it out of the case, when I started the course, the frets were really flat.
Yeah. 31 years of playing all of that.
But now it's got a new lease of life, and I can't wait to start getting back playing it again now.
Cool. Awesome stuff. Well, thanks for having a chat to me.
Cheers, Matt.
Thanks.
Cheers.
This is Liam. And you're doing a 3-day course?
Yes.
Yeah. And what have you done over the last 3 days?
Refretted, yeah, made a new nut, re-radiused the boards, took out some issues with a bit of a wonky neck, and yeah, that kind of stuff.
Nice. Is this your guitar?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. So did you change the radius or just keep the...
Yeah, just change it slightly, yeah. Just slightly flatten out to a 10. Just why not? So it wasn't so different.
Was the fretboard a bit all over the place?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was a bit sort of wiggly. I've had few issues with it over the years, so that's why I thought I'd bring it in and see, what I could achieve.
Well, hopefully it's you've got rid of those issues.
Yeah, no, it's fantastic. Yeah, it's brilliant.
Cool. So have you done any kind of guitar-y work before, or is this...
Just set up stuff and that kind of thing. Nothing, taking it a few little high spots. Nothing advances like refretting, but that's why I wanted to do the 3-day course, just to get a bit more knowledge and a bit more confidence, and sort of if it's going to go wrong, have people around who can help me and advise me on that,
Yeah, I mean, the fretboard is like pretty much the most important part of the build. Like,
Yeah, absolutely.
if you get that wrong, it's not going to play right. So,
Yeah.
Do you think you'd come back and do a longer course, or?
Yeah, that would be quite interesting. I think, I'm quite interested in alterations. Maybe like if, say, I wanted to put 24 frets and move a pickup and if that's a kind of thing, I don't know. But I think it was mainly to get the confidence in this. And then once I'm sort of happy with, doing a few of my other guitars, then maybe a build of some sort would be be really interesting.
Thank you for having a chat with me.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and I hope you get it all singing nicely by the end of the day.
Brilliant.
Cool. Cheers.
Thanks very much.
This is David. Talk me through your very nice telly on your bench.
Well, I mean, there's almost too much to say other than I'm just thrilled to spend time here at Crimson and had the opportunity to learn from great teachers and luthiers and, out of nowhere, create what seems to be a great guitar and exactly what I'd mapped out and hoped to achieve over the course of a week, which has been somewhat whirlwind. I mean, it's been an amazing learning experience. I mean, the best part is there's just a great final product too, so which I will definitely cherish. But I mean, honestly, my thanks goes out to everyone I worked with, James, Sean today, Ricky and Sam the first day, Dom. I mean, the whole team was just tremendous.
Have you built anything like this before?
I am nothing, like no mechanical skills. Well, as James will attest, show me which end of the screwdriver I put in the. I mean, honestly, I didn't know the names of the tools. I'd never worked with any of the equipment. And it's always been a big mystery how these amazing instruments are created. So it did take away some of the mystery, but I'm still amazed at all the woodworking techniques that you guys have developed to make precise instruments quickly. It's been,
nice.
What's
the body? What's it made out of?
The body is, I'm going to mispronounce everything. The body is Obesh.
Yep.
This is European sycamore neck.
Yep.
And an ebony fingerboard, sort of figured flame, beautiful fingerboard. I mean, this wood, I know I was forewarned. Yeah. I know your colleagues either have strong feelings, either love it or hate it.
Yeah.
To work with. I don't know how you come out on it.
It can be an absolute pain to finish and to work with, but it's super light.
Yeah.
So I guess there's pros and cons.
Right.
I guess it depends how you're going to finish it. I mean, that looks great, man. The stain just looks really good. I love all the streaky bits in the Obesh itself. So it just looks.
Yeah, I came out. I think I'm really happy with. I mean, this is kind of an approximation of the. I was hoping for more classic oriented butterscotch, and it works. It's just a beautiful finish. And I mean, my main objective. Well, I wanted to build a really good working guitar, but I wanted a light guitar. Every guitarist has their own little quirky things they care about. I wanted a 12-inch radius and a fat neck, which I said about 100 different ways and times over and over again. And it was definitely sort of achieved. It's quite chunky. So when I was younger, I used to like really fast play thinner necks. But then as I've gotten a little bit older, I tend to cramp.
Yeah.
I just gravitated towards fatter necks, and there's a certain pleasure in playing them. It fulfills all my, and it looks really cool.
Yeah.
And it was fun to build, and it was great to be here for the week. So
nice. You just got the setup left to do. Is that it?
Just got the setup left to do, and awesome. I really appreciate everyone's patience, and particularly James in walking me through this. He's had, I put him through the test this week in terms of patience. So
can say that.
Yeah. So it's been good. It's great.
You've got a couple hours left. So
yeah, I know.
You get it set.
Yeah, I'm really interested in the setup part because honestly, a lot of the things that was amazing in terms of the build, I mean, I'd love to try this again, but I'm going to sort of forget. But a setup I can apply to, some of the other guitars I have at home.
exactly.
So I'm really interested in being walked through it. Yeah. Between now and the end of the day, I got to learn how to play too. So.
I got a couple hours.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
I think we've done it in like half an hour.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
It's almost there.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Right. Well,
All
thanks for
right.
having a chat with me.
Well, thanks a lot.
Cheers.
Good to talk.
Do it again.
Biscuits.